Alright, just real quick today, I've been buying these coils lately, these Wotofo Coils, and it just happened to be that when they sent in the Wotofo Flux, they threw a whole load of coils in the box, which was very nice of them. So I figured, I've been happy with these coils, I've been buying them lately. I figured, let me show you the different coils, because I know sometimes the pictures, when you're looking to buy these things, are not very good. So I figured, let me just show them to you, and then you might have, you know, a better idea of close-up of what these coils look like if you're looking to buy some coils. So let's start off. There's a lot of different, you know, on the packaging, first of all, the packaging is very nice, and we're going to zoom in here so we give you nice, clear pictures of them. Real quick, you know, you'll find out what the wires are, what the wrap is, what type of wire it is, the millimeter, and the resistance. Now, know that the resistance is for one coil. So if you take it a 0.24, you put this a single coil in, you're going to get a 0.24. If you put two of these in a dual coil setup, you're going to get about a 0.12. It's going to be around half, give or take, you know, 0.01 once you burn it and so forth. So let's just take a look at these up close. And let's start off with this one. This is a framed staple Clapton. There's your specs on it. All right, we're going to jump through these pretty quick. Just for those of you who are really into the different types of coils, you can see what they are. This is a braided N80 3mm 0.24 ohm. All right. And I know some of you are, you know, very into coils, and you know, I certainly like, you know, handmade coils, but I'll show you specs on here, but you know, they can get kind of expensive. These often go for, I don't know, $7 to $11 maybe a tube. This is a quad core fused Clapton, and 83mm 0.26 ohms. All right. This is a fused Clapton, an 2.5mm 0.5 ohm resistance. And again, just a reminder, dual will be like about 0.25. This is a smaller coil, good for really small decks. Next one is a tri-core fused Clapton, N80 3mm 0.17 for a single coil. I really like these, although in a dual coil it will be really low. Okay, 3 more to go. This is a Juggernaut. I thought that was like that big guy with the armored suit in, you know, in first-person shooter games, but N80 3mm 0.28. Wow, look at that thing. Nice. All right. Next up is a dual core fused Clapton, 3mm 0.62 ohms. And last but not least, we have a dual core fused Clapton, 3mm 0.28. This is probably a pretty popular one, simply because you got a 0.28 on a single. You got, you know, you can bring it down to like a 0.14 dual coil. which is a nice building area. I think that's a sweet spot for RTAs. It's like a 0.14 in there, at least for me. So there you go. That is these set of Wotofo coils. That's the way they come. I think the price on them is pretty good. Like I said, these were sent in, but I have been buying these. It's funny because I just bought a whole load of these from hitthatjuice.com before, not a whole load, but a couple from hitthatjuice.com before these came in. So just wanted to show you those, give you a close-up of each one so you know what they look like. And if you're looking for some new coils, check them out, Wotofo Coils. Thanks a lot for watching.